This is a presentation of a cladogram of modern-day vertebrates. This does not include or make reference to a common ancestor and other animals that are extinct who possess characteristics that have contributed to the survival and evolution of modern-day vertebrates. This presentation is only using modern-day vertebrates for visual educational purposes and is not suggesting that extinct species or a common ancestor has not contributed to the evolution of modern-day vertebrates. In today's environment, a vertebrate is classified as possessing a vertebral column, well-developed cranium, sensory structures, well-developed brain, and neural crest cells. This is the basic foundation for all of the species present in this cladogram.
The first vertebrate to evolve was our modern-day agnathans, which is a jawless fish. A lamprey is an example of a modern-day agnathan. The emergence of a jaw, paired fins, and well-developed skeletal structure gave rise to modern-day chondrichthyans, which is an agnathostome. The shark is an example of a modern-day chondrichthyan. The appearance of bone allowed the Arctarctigii to develop an advanced skeletal structure made of bone. An example of a modern-day Arctarctigii is the perch.
The development of bone then allowed species to move to land. This movement allowed the Acanthostega to give rise to well-developed girdles and limbs that could support the species' body weight while walking on land. An example of a modern-day Acanthostega is the mud puppy. Acanthostegas can range from as small as newts to as large as crocodiles. As species move from water to land, the first gill arch changes function and is now a bone in the middle ear of amphibians. An example of an amphibian is a frog. As species now thrive on land, the evolution of 4 extraembryonic membranes gave rise to reptiles. This allows reptiles to have protected eggs, which allows them to separate from the water. An example of a modern-day reptile is an alligator.
Since most reptiles are ectothermic, the ability for a species to maintain a constant body temperature gave rise to modern-day birds. An example of a modern-day bird is a chicken. As species separate themselves further from land, gill arches now form 3 middle ear bones. This is a distinguishing feature of modern-day mammals such as humans. As you can see, each characteristic that arose helped us with the development of a modern-day species.